Welcome back to Plant-Based Brent. And here we have, 1 week later, our kombucha. You can see our SCOBY has grown and it's filled in the whole top. I usually leave it about 10 days or 2 weeks, but 1 week is fine. So let's give it a try and see how it is, shall we? I'm gonna have to sit this down while I pour. You stay right there for a second, my friend. Okay. Works perfect. There we go. And you can see we got a little bit of fermentation going on there. We got a little bubbles on top. And so we did it. We made our kombucha. Cheers. Let's give it a try. Thank you. Thank you, God, for blessing me with magic kombucha. Blessings. It's delicious. Woohoo! Yeah, I can ferment for a little bit longer, but it's delicious. Excellent. Well, success. So make your kombucha. It's an excellent way to keep your belly healthy. Good probiotics for your belly. Happy belly, happy life. Your microbiome, mine. They love kombucha. They love fermented foods. So do it for yourself, do it for your life, and do it for your health. Paz y amor, peace and love. Thanks for tuning in to Plant-Based Brent.